Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to talk about how to set your TV up when you get to a new campsite. Now we're inside of a Coachman Apex right now. Now this has a digital antenna on it. We're going to be pulling just from that aerial antenna. She's not plugged into any of the campground cables or anything because we don't have campground cable here. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my remote. On all remotes there's always a menu button. We're going to press that. Most RVs, you're going to go over to channel and come down to auto scan. Some of them will be in the setup setting, but on this one it's in channel. Again, this is on a Jensen TV. We're going to press OK or enter depending on the remote, and then we're going to start our scan and the system's going to go through. A couple of things we definitely want to make sure we're doing is we have the TV antenna booster on. Now, if we are plugged into campground cable, the process at the beginning is going to be the same, but we're going to shut the TV antenna booster off. TV antenna booster is always going to be down by the coax cable that screws into the side of the camper, right by the entertainment center. And you'll know it because there'll be a little switch that'll give you either a red or a green light depending on which model that is. So on this one it's there. Now, on some campers you'll have a aerial antenna that you will crank up and then rotate to get a better signal. You'll pull down and rotate it. Just make sure you line the two arrows up, the one that's mounted onto the ceiling and the one that's on the rotation knob, before you put it back down. There's also the new digital antennas that just rotate. This has a fixed TV antenna because with the brand that they're using up here, we don't have to rotate it to get a better signal. As you saw, we had pretty good signal right there. I think Mark's going to do a little movie editing at this point, so I don't know if I should dance or what while the TV goes through a program. So Mark, speed up the system here. Alright, now as you can see, we've gone ahead and we've got the stations programmed. It's finished up, so we can actually just flip through the different channels. They are coming in digital signal, so we will get a high definition look behind them. So everything's set to go. Again, the process will be the same for your cable or satellite depending on the unit. You'll just have a satellite wired up in here and the cable will just have to be plugged into the outside. Other than that, we'll talk about the Bluetooth here for a little bit. On Jensen radios you'll have a little Bluetooth button up at the top. It'll have the signal. Press that and do a search on your phone and your Bluetooth setup. Find it, pair it up. Pairing numbers are 0000 and hit enter and everything will link up, and then you can run your outdoor speakers off your cell phone and everything's good there. And as far as the TV setup and the Jensen radio, I think we're done today. Now we're going to turn the AC on. We're going to let this cool down to about 65 degrees. I'm going to take this lovely Apex blanket, I'm going to curl up, and I'm going to try to trick Eric into thinking that I've been working for the last 2-3 hours when this was about 10 minutes worth of work. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.